You are joy. Your flower natures, they're delicate and sensitive. The world has seemed harsh to it sometimes. But there is a world in the garden, and it is a glimpse of the world that your earth will be, of the golden age that will come, of the eternity in the divine that is within you. Smile now to that and leave your sadness behind. For this moment, smile, ease into your knowing and your wholeness. There's tomorrow and later on for you to be worried and irritated and fearful. They will come up again, those feelings, and you will remember that you are not buying into those illusions any longer. You will have that moment of remembering, call on me, Quan Yin, I will be with thee. Call on me, Quan Yin, I will surround thee. I will surround thee in clothing made of flowers. I will surround thee, and you will breathe in the scent. As you breathe the scent of flowers into your body, and that scent, that essence changes you, lifts your spirit, opens your heart, relieves your depression, balances your nature, allows you to be more accepting, less judgmental. As you feel those scents change your being, as you work with the vibratory nature of the flowers, and those flowers strengthen you, those flowers help you, those flowers empower you. As you work with them and feel your vibrations subtly shifting, you will know that we are present, that the blueprint of your divine nature is connecting with the blueprint of the divine flowers. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Now, there is aloneness in the physical form because you have these boundaries of skin and bone and teeth, these boundaries of gender and race and creed, these boundaries of beliefs about the self. Your divine nature has no boundaries. It is infinite. Float in it for a moment. Hold those palms up and float in them. The tips of the fingers spewing out the pollen from the flowers of the lotuses growing in your palms and your fingertips. I am Quan Yin. Your nature is divine. This is true. This is so. Come to the garden. Bring your troubles there. Come to the garden. Call on the garden for transformation. Come to it for nourishment, nurturing, and rest. Come to it for divinity. Come to the garden. Forget yourself not. Forget your divine nature not. Know that you are divine. I am Quan Yin. We have soothed the strands of energy, those pouring energies that popped into your body, that forced open places of unawareness, that brought you into consciousness that felt like pain, that felt like emotion, that felt like sadness, that felt like headaches, that felt like backaches, that felt like stomach aches, that felt like cramps. Those awarenesses, breathe into them now and let them open the doorway to bliss, to joy, to beingness. I am Quan Yin, speaking from the garden. I weave the energy of the flowers in. I am Quan Yin. And drawing the breath in, gently and easily now, drawing the breath in, take the palm of the right hand with the lotus growing in it and place it on your belly. Take the palm of the left hand with the lotus growing in it and place it on your heart. Bask in the energy connection now. And gently breathing in, release the breath with the sound Ma, 3 or 4 or 5 times, just for you, to surround you in soothing energy. Ma, Ma, Ma. I leave you with the flowers, your brothers and sisters on your earth. Find them, use their essences, their essential oils. Float in baths of petals, potpourri. Smell the flowers, grow them in your garden. Eat them. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. I am Quan Yin. Feel their joy, bursting with joy, and feel them in your body now. They are real. I leave you with this. The flowers and the garden is within you, and you are within it, and I am within it, and every flower. My compassionate vibration moves through your being. Breathe it in now. Sound vibration is very important. Sound is important in your world. You have all kinds of signals and ringing and beeping and so on and so forth. All kinds of noise in your world. And that noise drags you away from the noise of divinity. Find the noise of divinity within your being. Find the noise of divinity within your knowing. Find the noise within the sound vibration that you make. Use the crystal bowls. Use the brass bowls. Use the gongs. Use the chimes. Listen to the wind chimes. Use your voice. Tone together. Come together in circles. And now, all together, come together this evening. Hold your palms outward, connecting to all the individuals in the circle, divine and human merging into one. Now tone together 5 times and feel your vibration run through your body. That is a powerful tone. Together your voices wind and your vibrations wind, creating braids of light, weaving pillars of stability on the planet Earth. Om. 5. Feel that vibration in the silence of your being. Now, in the silence of your being, extend the vibration. Hold in your consciousness someone that needs this vibration that you all have created this evening. Hold a place, a being, a group, a space. Afghanistan, New York, South Carolina, Kentucky, Egypt, India, the Sudan, Vietnam, Laos. Hold a place, a person, a being, your mother, your father, your daughters, your sons, your lovers, your friends, your enemies. Someone who has done the unspeakable. Hold them in this consciousness for a moment. I am Quan Yin, extending my compassion through your being and your compassionate nature. I am Quan Yin.